welcome back. You know, not everyone looks in the mirror and has a nice, bright smile, but you can, and it doesn't always have to be a long, drawn-out process.
There could be actually a number of reasons why teeth are in rough shape. Could be from an accident or even genetics. In our Trusted Advisor segment, hear and see how smiles have been restored in one day thanks to Splendent Implant Center in Norton Shores.
Splendent Implant Center has been here on the west side for 3 years currently right now. I've been practicing for 33 years doing implant dentistry. Decided to come from the east side of Michigan in Rochester Hills, Michigan, and came out here 3 years ago to start up Splendent. A lot of times the cases that we work on are people with no teeth that are currently wearing dentures or not able to wear dentures, or patients with a lot of crown and bridges starting to fail for the second or third time. They've decided they want to try the implant route, and we're going to rebuild their smiles with implants. Well, what a dental implant is a titanium metal device, like an anchor, that goes down into the jawbone, is allowed to heal for anywhere from 3 to 4 months. After that 3 or 4 months, we can access that dental implant, check it for its stability, and then actually put a post along with a crown on top of it. So it's one way of holding one individual tooth in place, or in our cases, the cases that we work on are where we have 4 implants that are implanted surgically into the bone, allowed to heal, and then teeth placed on them at a later date. Or what we try to do here is the day we actually surgically place the implants, we actually give them an immediate smile by placing a set of temporary teeth right on there. Those temporary teeth don't come on or off like a denture would. Okay, when people are wearing a denture, it tends to fall out. It's very difficult to get used to. So what implants allow us to do is place just a standard bridge on those implants and allow us to cut the area of the roof of the mouth is relieved, as well as the bottom, the tongue doesn't knock it out. There are people in a trauma situation, whether it's a car accident, unfortunately some gunshot wounds, or cancer, where their teeth are being removed fairly quickly. We can actually go in there and place dental implants to help support either a fixed tooth and or a fixed bridge where there's just multiple teeth connected to it. 99% of our cases, the patients will come in with their broken down set of teeth or their current condition, and we're able to give them fixed teeth all in one day by the time they wake up. We do use sedation dentistry, so it keeps it a lot more comfortable for the patient and a lot more relaxing for them. Anxiety is common within the dental field. The way we like to do it and take care of our patients with those anxious moments, number one is with my staff. My staff is an incredibly caring staff that helps out our patients. It walks them through the process. Patients are less anxious just by meeting our staff. Secondarily, we use sedation dentistry. We have a certified nurse anesthetist that comes in along with our care and provides us with good sedation, similar to what people would experience in a regular outpatient scenario. We can usually start with the young ladies right around 12 and the young men right around 14 years of age. We can place those implants, and then we can let them mature into them at that point in time. As far as the benefits of getting implants, one is the long-lasting part of it. A dental implant will give you 30, 40, 50, and now going on 60 years of success rate. Where patients maintain the actual dental implant that's up in the bone. Some of our patients, the benefits of that is, number one, their teeth no longer fall out like they would for regular dentures. That's probably the biggest effect, is when we go from a loose denture on a patient to something that's fixed like this, the patients have the confidence and the security to go out and socialize and eat in public. They don't have to worry about their teeth being spit out or falling out. One of the anxious moments people have is they think implants cost so much, but the longevity and the prognosis of an implant case and the fact that you're going to have that restoration clearly outweighs the overall that initial cost of the implant. For some of our larger cases, the cost does naturally go up quite a bit, but we're able to help those patients out with different financing options. We work with Green Sky financing and stuff like that. We take some Medicare is approved for some of these cases, so our patients who are either disabled or 65 years plus, we look into their Medicare to see if a portion of that will be covered by their Medicare plan as well. My staff is very, very good at looking into all different financial options for those patients. The one thing we want to offer to patients, and at this point in my career, really is education. We want our patients to come in, whether they decide to get the work done here or someplace else, feel free and comfortable enough to come in and talk with us. With my 33 years of experience working strictly with implant dentistry and prosthodontic cases, hopefully I'm of value to the patient to get them some understanding of where their case is and what other options are out there. And again, my staff, which is incredibly helpful and caring staff, they want to come out and help those patients as well to understand their current dental situation and how they can improve it.
Just thinking a day,
All good
people
things.
walking back out of there with a
In
good
and
smile.
out with a completely different smile. That's amazing.
Absolutely.
To learn more, you can visit them online at splendentsmiles.com or call 616-446-7987.